opening a new packet of Pokemon. So I just went by, so I bought this. So my dad bought me this little packet for me. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, guys. Hey, guys, you need a lot of patience to open one of these. So like, I'm just going to do my time. So just wait a second and do something and like. Okay, guys, I'm opening. You need a lot of patience to open one.
Sure.
I need help. So you need a lot of patience to open one of these. So I opened it. So this is what it looks like on it. So I open it. So if you want to open one of these, you have to wait for a little time to open one of these. So I got one of this. So I got this. New Pokemon card. That is almost like this. I got a badge. So here's the packet what it looks like. So I'm going to open it. You need a lot of patience to open one of these. Okay. So here's one. Here's new. Farfetch'd. And this one. And I got Rotorb, electric type, Squirrel, water type, and I have this one, 50 health. And I have this one, which I already have. Now I have two. I have Pidgey. It's really cute. Wind Pokemon. And I have this one, Fighting type. It's really cool. It's 90 damage, but it's really cool. GX. I have a GX, 160 damage, 190. So I'm going to put that right there. So I'm going to open one of these other ones. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to dig in and open it. So I'm going to open one of almost like one of those Pokemon. So I'm going to open it. Oof. There's one in my again. Okay, electric buzz. I have Vulpix. Fire type. I have Sandshrew. A sand Pokemon. So this one has like almost a lot health, but this one has 60 health. Gardews. Water Pokemon. So this one's really cool Pokemon, so it's really cool. Starmie, water Pokemon. It's really cool also too. I have Haunter, 80 damage and 70 health. It's a ghost type. So I can evolve to him in my deck. I have this, which I don't have. It looks like weird, so hands up if you have this guy. I have this one. You can evolve to this one is a leaf one. You can evolve to a bee. So you have to be really careful. I have Ponyta, fire type. Has 20 damage and 30 damage. 60 health and fire type. It's really cool. Drowsy, 10 damage and 10 damage. 60 health.